Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with Teachable, beginner guide step by step clearly. To scale your online courses with Teachable, first, create your account on the Teachable website. Choose the appropriate plan based on your needs, considering the features provided at each tier. Next, set up your school by selecting a unique name that resonates with your target audience. Customize your school's appearance by choosing color schemes, fonts, and logos that reflect your brand identity. Now, add your first course by clicking on the New Course button in your dashboard. Enter a catchy title and description that clearly conveys the value of the course. Upload your course materials, including videos, PDFs, and quizzes, organizing them into modules for easy navigation. Incorporate engaging multimedia elements to enhance the learning experience for your students. Set your pricing strategy by determining the course price, payment plans, or any discounts that may apply. Configure your course settings, including completion certificates and drip course content options if desired. Integrate payment gateways to facilitate easy transactions for your students. Once your course is set up, create a marketing strategy to promote it effectively. Utilize social media platforms to reach your audience and share valuable content related to your course. Consider email marketing campaigns to nurture leads and announce course launches or promotions. Collaborate with influencers in your niche to expand your reach and credibility. Monitor your course performance using Teachable's analytics tools to track sales and student progress. Gather feedback from your students to identify areas for improvement and adjust accordingly. As you continue to grow, consider expanding your course offerings by creating more advanced or niche-specific courses. Explore partnerships or bundles with other course creators to provide even more value to your audience. Stay updated with industry trends to ensure your content remains relevant and engaging for your learners. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.